Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an expense in Xero. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the Xero dashboard to submitting an expense claim, making sure each field is completed clearly and accurately so your accounting stays clean and your reimbursement, if applicable, is straightforward. Start on your Xero dashboard. From here, open the Purchases area. This section is where you manage what the business spends, and it's the quickest way to find the tools for recording staff expenses. Within Purchases, choose Expenses. This brings up your expense workspace, showing existing claims and giving you options to add a new one. Select New Expense, then choose Expense Claim. Expense claim is used when you or a team member have paid out of pocket or used a company card for a business cost that needs recording. It's different from entering a bill from a supplier. Here, the focus is on a single outlay that you're documenting for the books and, if relevant, for reimbursement. Enter the purchase amount. Be precise, include cents, and make sure the amount matches your receipt. If your organization uses tax settings that apply automatically, those will be handled based on your account selection in a moment, but the amount should reflect what you actually paid. Add a clear, concise description. Think about what will make sense to someone reviewing this later. For example, client meeting lunch, taxi from airport, or conference registration. Good descriptions make reporting and approvals faster. In How Did You Pay? Pick the payment method or account that best fits the situation. If you use personal funds, choose the relevant option so it's marked for reimbursement. If you used a company card, select that account so it's posted correctly and not reimbursed. Fill in Spent It with the merchant or vendor name. This helps with search, audit trails, and consistent reporting. Choose the account to categorize the expense in your chart of accounts, such as travel, meals, and entertainment, office supplies, or another appropriate code your business uses. Selecting the right account ensures the correct tax treatment and reporting. If your organization tracks expenses by region or similar tracking categories, select the region in the optional field. If you see a second region or another optional tracking field, use it to capture an additional category, like a subregion or department, depending on how your tracking is set up. If your business doesn't use these, you can leave them blank. Take a moment to review all entries. When everything looks correct, click Approve to finalize the expense. That's it. Your expense claim is now recorded and ready to flow through your normal accounting and approval processes.